Hi, welcome to Simply English. This is Teacher Cassie. Today we are going to learn how to use in and on with vehicles. We use in when we are inside a small or enclosed vehicle. For example, in the car, in the taxi, in the jeep. Ginagamit natin ang in kapag nasa loob tayo ng maliit o saradong sasakyan. We use on when we are on top or riding a bigger public vehicle. For example, on the bus, on the train, on the plane. Ginagamit natin ang on kapag nakasakay tayo o nasa ibabaw ng mas malaking pampublikong sasakyan.
Let's have a quiz. We are on the ship.
We are in the Jeep.
We are on the boat?
We are on the bus.
We are in the taxi.
We are on the plane.
They are in the subway.
Wow!
They are in the car.
Want to see the full adventure? Follow our YouTube channel for the complete video and more fun learning stories. Just search for Simply English on YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the adventure.